Characteristics of the five kingdom. Table 2.1. Characters: cell type, cell wall, nuclear membrane, body organization, mode of nutrition. And the five kingdom is Monera, Protista, Fungi, Plantae, and Animalia. Character first: cell type. In Monera, prokaryotic. In Protista, eukaryotic. In Fungi, eukaryotic. Plantae, eukaryotic. Animalia, eukaryotic. Cell wall. In Monera, non-cellulosic polysaccharide plus amino acid. In Protista, present in some. In fungi, present without cellulose with chitin. In Plantae, present cellulose. Animalia, absent. Third one is the nuclear membrane. Monera, absent. Protista, present. Fungi, present. Plantae, present. Animalia, present. Body organization. In Monera, cellular. Protista, cellular. Fungi, multicellular loose tissue. Plantae, tissue or organ. Animalia, tissue, organ and organ system. Mode of nutrition. In Monera, autotrophic, chemosynthetic and photosynthetic, and heterotrophic, saprophytic or parasitic. Protista, autotrophic, photosynthetic and heterotrophic. Fungi, heterotrophic, saprophytic and parasitic. Plantae, autotrophic, photosynthetic. Animalia, heterotrophic, holozoic or saprophytic. R. H. Whittaker 1969 proposed a five kingdom classification. The kingdom defined by him were named Monera, Protista, Fungi, Plantae and Animalia. The main criteria for classification used by him included cell structure, body organization, mode of nutrition, reproduction, and phylogenetic relationship. Table 2.1 gives a comparative account of different characteristics of the five kingdom. The three domain system has also been proposed that divides the kingdom Monera into two domains, leaving the remaining eukaryotic kingdoms in the third domain, and thereby a six kingdom classification. You will learn about this system in detail at higher classes. Let us look at this five kingdom classification to understand the issues and consideration that influence the classification system. Earlier classification system included bacteria, blue-green algae, fungi, mosses, ferns, gymnosperm and the angiosperm under Plantae. The character that unified this whole kingdom was that all the organisms included had a cell wall in their cells. This placed together groups which widely different in other characteristics. It brought together the prokaryotic bacteria and the blue-green algae cyanobacteria with other groups which were eukaryotic. It also grouped together the unicellular organisms and the multicellular ones. Say, for example, Chlamydomonas and Spirogyra were placed together under algae. The classification did not differentiate between the heterotrophic group fungi and the autotrophic group green plants, though they also show a characteristic difference in their walls composition. The fungi had chitin